Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make betel leaf rasam. Very easy to make and it has lots of medicinal values. Having it during winter season will help you to keep away from cold related diseases. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients we require to make this recipe. I have soaked a lemon-sized tamarind in warm water. Squeeze and extract the water. This is 2 tomatoes, just crush and add them. Adjust water as per your requirement. Into a blender or in a mortar and pestle, add 15 garlic cloves with the skin, a tablespoon of each black peppercorns and cumin seeds, 4 betel leaves. Remove the stem and add them. Grind it coarsely. Betel leaves contains vitamin C, calcium, riboflavin, niacin and many more. It's an excellent cure for those suffering from chest and lung congestion. To this add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add the crushed garlic mixture, some curry leaves with the stem, 2 green chilies and some coriander leaves. Give it a nice mix, cover the pot, let it come to a boil. Rasam has come to a nice boil, turn off the flame and set it aside. Now let's make seasoning for rasam. For that, into a pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of fenugreek, 2 red chilies, some curry leaves and 1 betel leaf for extra flavor. Add the seasoning to rasam, give a mix. Have it hot with white rice or as a soup. It has amazing antiseptic and antifungal properties, so adding it to your meal will help you get the medicinal value of it. Rasam is one of the traditional recipe in South Indian cuisine. No lunch meal ends without rasam, especially in Tamil Nadu. Try this rasam at your home and share your feedback in the comment section below. Hope you love this recipe. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.